This is a self-driving car. It means there isn't any active human control while it's moving around. But how do self-driving cars work? Let's build up a practical example step by step for a better understanding the principles. First of all, I took a cheap RC car as a vehicle. We have to be sure the elementary parts are working like wheels, steering mechanism and DC motors. For my intentions, the existing electronic control unit is useless since it's designed for manual control. As I mentioned, we are about to build a self-driving car. That means we have to integrate kind of electronics which is able to compute its own driving behavior. Of course, there are many possibilities how you can design your system. However, I will keep it simple. First, I took ultrasonic sensors to measure the distance. You can use it to avoid obstacles too. Second, I need a microcontroller to evaluate the sensor information and operate the motors for motion. Arduino Nano will do the job. Last, I need motor drivers for the motor control. I will not go into the details how an ultrasonic sensor works or how I implemented the motor control or other stuff, since the video will too long. Then I installed all the components on a breadboard to test the functionality with some basic code. As you can see, I used 3 ultrasonic sensors, each for front, left and right. After I successfully tested my setup, I began to modifying the toy car with the components. I removed the existing electronic unit, placed 3 electronic sensors for 3 directions. Therefore, the car is able to identify obstacles from different angles. The Arduino Nano is placed inside the car. I made sure the USB mini connector is accessible from outside for programming and powering. I will use a power bank since it's easy to handle and has stable 5-volt output for all my components. Then putting all together again, wiring and soldering the components, take care everything is properly connected. Now let's test the sensors and motors again on the modified car. By the way, I wrote the code in Arduino IDE as usual for Arduino projects. You can see in the right side the car and the left side the print window from Arduino IDE in which I printed the sensor distance values. Clearly the distance measurement works. So what do we have at the moment? We can move forwards and backwards, turn the wheels right and left, get distance information from each sensor. Now we have to implement some useful and intelligent functions. Actually, you have the freedom to code anything. I decided to implement 2 main functionalities, which is necessary to our demonstration. And here's my first function. At the screen you can see the car is facing an obstacle. To avoid a crash, the car should turn left or right if the distance is below 10 centimeters. To decide which direction, in second step, the car should measure the distance between the obstacle from his right and left side of the car. Now the decision is obvious. The car should turn in the direction which has more space. In this case, the car should turn right. Let me demonstrate the algorithm in our car. Well done. In my second function, another obstacle avoidance is implemented. If the car is nearing an obstacle, for example, wall by its left or right side, the car should turn slightly to opposite direction. In this case, right. And here is the demonstration. Actually, I'm finished with my setup. Now here comes the very interesting part. I made a simple trap covered with objects from all sides. There is only one open side to escape. The question is the car capable enough to escape this trap from any starting position. I would say it's fairly acceptable. Here is another try. This is the main working principle of self-driving cars. Use sensors to get information from the environment and take useful actions depending on this information. Of course, modern self-driving cars have more sensors like GPS, camera, radar, etc., and therefore more capable. Overall, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.